Thank you for your patience as we dive into the Stoneberry electronics method. This video outlines a complex topic, carding. It's crucial to stress that this content is purely for educational purposes. We do not endorse illegal activities. To begin, let's examine the tools you'll require for carding. Firstly, have a reliable computer or mobile device ready. A strong internet connection is essential for a smooth experience. Get a good VPN, SOCK5, or RDP to secure your identity. You'll also need credit card information or fulls, CCleaner for clearing data, a US or European address, and a Google Voice number for verification. Make sure to reference my previous article, The Ultimate Beginner and Advanced Guide in Carding Online, for more foundational knowledge. Let's proceed with the steps of the Stoneberry electronics method. First, understand that your online safety is paramount. Always use a premium CCleaner to clear your browser cookies. After that, install your VPN. For this method, connect to a drop state via your VPN. Once connected, visit whoer.net and check your IP status. Ensure your IP is masked. If you're seeing green signals, you're good to go. Now, let's dive into the Stoneberry method. Copy the provided link into your browser. Create an account by clicking on Sign In, and filling in the necessary details such as first name, last name, and matching email. When prompted, enter additional information including your address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. After submitting, browse the Stoneberry site for 5 to 10 minutes before logging out. After an hour, log back into your account. Select products. Ideally, choose gaming items above $500 for a first attempt. Proceed to view your cart and click Checkout. Here's a critical step. If your fulls doesn't belong to the client, edit the shipping address to your drop address. Once this is done, proceed to payment. Input your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your SSN, selecting a monthly income above $1,000. Double-check the details and place your order. If all steps were followed, you'll reach a thank you page confirming your order. Check your email for confirmation regarding shipping and tracking details. In summary, this tutorial serves to raise awareness about the complexities of carding. The method described can yield results within 5 to 7 days. Stay tuned for my next video on similar topics, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support makes a difference.